Hey word lovers, welcome to the day 9 of our 30-day word challenge, the daily dose of vocabulary which makes the language more sharper, stronger and expressive. I am Shifa and today's word is powerful. So the word is resilient. Resilient. R-E-S-I-L-I-E-N-T. Resilient. So resilient is an adjective which means able to withstand or recover from a difficult situation. Or you can say able to bounce back from challenges and hardship, mentally tough or flexible. So the word resilient comes from a Latin word rɪẓɪl, which means to leap back or rebound. So whether you are bouncing back from a setback or trying to adapt a change, resilience is all about the mental strength and flexibility. Now the synonyms for the word resilient are tough, flexible, hardy, adaptable. Some of the examples of the word are: after losing the match, the team remained resilient and came back more stronger the next season. Now second, she is incredibly resilient. Despite everything, she finds a reason to smile. Third, she is resilient and keeps going even when things are hard. So if you like this powerful word resilient, start using it in your sentence and drop it in the comment section. And until then, stay resilient, stay curious and meet me for the next day, that is day 10. Bye bye.